So here's video number 2 of Miss Bettina. She's been here less than 24 hours. The first video she was a little agitated, so I wanted to get a different video of her to show how she's settling in. Come here, baby. Look at the camera. She's very interested in her surroundings, and this room is full of new cat smells that she's never smelled before, so she's very interested in checking everything out. But she has calmed down. She doesn't seem as agitated. She's eating well. She's she's eliminating well. She let me have her in her lap. I held her in my lap and gave her some nice pets, and she really seemed to enjoy that. She is a bit of a diva. She's you know, she wants to control the situation, I think. Like I said in my previous video, she's got Tortitude to go along with her torty points. But she's very pretty. And, you know, it'll be a few days before I can see how she is with other cats. She did see, another cat did approach her cage, and Bettina did hiss, but, you know, nothing out of the ordinary. She's got a cute little meow, and she's just busy walking around, checking out her new temporary space. Hasn't shown much interest in the toys yet, but, you know, again, she's been here less than 24 hours, so she's still trying to figure things out. What's that? Yeah, just checking out everything, Oh, what's that? There's some different kind of litter in here. What's that? I mixed a couple litters. That's why it looks a little funny. Poured some World's Best on top of the Tidy Cats. And she's just sniffing. Come here, baby. Come here. It's a good girl. Oh, off she goes again. So if you want an independent gal, but like I said, she let me hold her on my lap, and she enjoyed getting pets, and she was purring, and but you know, everything's going to be on her terms, I think. So here she is. Hey, look up. Look up. Say hello. See that pretty face.